Well, the refinishing's finished. Got about 7 hand rub coats of linseed oil on the stock. Curl turned out really good. Opening that grain and staining it with the grain open, pulled it in really nice. Some people don't particularly care for this weathered gray look, but you know, I don't want a gun like everybody else. I want my own. That's what a custom rifle's all about to me. I'll see if I can get you a close-up of how it turned out. Like I said, the curl's supposed to have been 75%. Pretty much that's what it's got. It's pretty well all the way. Gets a little bit slack right through here. Not too much there. Got it in the wrist. Definitely got it on the top. Some curl here didn't quite turn out as pretty as I thought it would, but where the carvings are. Cheek plate shows the curl off really good. It's in the wrist good. Pretty well all the way down the forearm. It's a lot prettier than what I had before. Of course, some people won't like it, but that's okay. It's not their gun, it's mine. All right, well, y'all can write some comments on it. If you don't like it, I'm a big boy, I can take that. But myself, I think it turned out really pretty. All right, this is Florida Cracker Outdoors. Y'all subscribe and keep watching.